do 2 bars at a time so that we can remember everything before we move on. So on the pedal board, I'm going to play C, C, F. And on my left hand, I'm going to play E, G, A. I will do left hand and pedal together. And now I'm going to play the right hand melody with the pedal. Once you've tried playing sections separately, we can put everything together, but I encourage people to do it slowly if it's the first time. And then we can speed up. Even faster. Yeah. And now we can move to the next phrase. C, C, G. So for your right foot, you will move up by 1 note. Yeah. C, C, G. And for the left hand, it's E, G, B. It's an E minor chord. Yeah, just put your hand in the root position of E minor chord. It's going to work. Right hand with the pedal. Yeah, and I'm going to add everything together again slowly. And speed up slightly. Now I can play the first 4 bars together, and it sounds like this. As the first phrase, so I'm not going to repeat. I'm going to jump down into the 4th phrase of the verse. Yeah. Yeah. It is slightly tricky because you have to play C, G, C. The G is rather short. You really need to put your foot on the G before you need it. Okay. So let's do pedal with left hand. G, C, G. And now I will do pedal with right hand. Okay. And we are going to add everything together, but relatively slowly. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like. For the chorus part, we have C, F, G, C, which is relatively straightforward. C, F, G, C. Yeah. And on the left hand, I have E, C, G. Yeah. Put them together. I'm going to play my right hand melody with the pedal board. Once I've tried all the sections separately, I'm going to put everything together, but I'm going to do it at a slower pace. the first line of the chorus. The second line is even easier. Play the whole piece.